is my first day with the EcoSport. We are currently on the Outer Ring Road. I've driven about 10 kilometers and I must say that I've had a really nice experience. I think now I'll probably be able to talk about the car a little bit because I've driven it today after fighting with the other two guys, one of whom is my husband. They had the car for a few days already and today is my first day. Anyway, so let me start with a few features that I think women will be interested in, or soccer moms will be interested in. One thing that really impressed me when I first saw this car was that little hidden handle that they had to open the boot. That's really clever, and it was something that everybody spoke about. So that was really nice, very unique. I don't think any other car has it. And the exterior is so futuristic looking. I was not a big fan of the grille in front. The open mouth grille is what they call it, I don't know. But I was not such a big fan of it when I saw it in the magazine. But in reality, it looks really cool. Very futuristic. I think a little ahead of its time as well. And the interiors, wow. This was a real wow when I saw it. They have a lot of cool features inside the car. Especially this Microsoft Sync, which lets you connect your phone via Bluetooth. You can answer your calls in the car, which is really great because a lot of times I'm kind of doing a dash back home to take my calls in the evening, and a lot of times I'm stuck in traffic and I don't even get little space to kind of drive out and stop my car and take my call. It's a lot of stress. It's very hassling. But this is really great that you can immediately connect. You can take your calls and plus drive home. You don't have to stop, which is really great. So that's one big point. The second is that everything is so adjustable. Like you can adjust your seat. I know women like to kind of sit a little higher. I don't know about other women, but I do. I like that SUV feel. And the steering is also telescopic, so you can adjust it exactly to the way you are comfortable, which is really great. The other cars don't have it, so very few cars have it. But this one is really can make you very comfortable. The other thing, cosmetically, I think they have awesome seats, the leather seats. How awesome would it be to have a red EcoSport with black seats and little red stitching actually on the seats, which looks really cool. And what else? Everything else is really super cool. And of course, yeah, the start button makes you feel like you're starting a bike or something. There's no key to this car. It's awesome. That was a surprise. I didn't know about that. So all in all, a really great car. And I think for soccer moms or any mom actually would be really concerned for the safety of your children. And I used to really be worried about that, especially when one drives to Goa and any outstation place. It has airbags everywhere, so my children are secure, and it's a lot of fun as well. I have my kids at the back of the car right now. One's asleep, I think.
How do you like this car?
Much more.
Huh?
Much more. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, so they really like the car, but it's really comfortable. It's easy to get in and get out of. And all in all, I think a really nice compact SUV. I think Ford is always known for its solid build quality, and this holds true to it. I've always wanted to own a Ford because my husband used to have a Ford Icon a while back, and while I had an Alto, and I used to really like the drive quality of the Ford. And if today I'm able to afford this and buy this for myself, I think I'd be really happy in red. So yeah, that's it for me. I think this is my experience. Very impressed, and yeah, I'd like to buy it. Thank you.